Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you guys how to change your Terraria World difficulty. This first method is the simple method, but it does override your current world and creates a new one. If you're looking to change the difficulty on an existing world, you can head to the timestamp in the description. However, all you have to do now is head into your servers and then open up config. Scroll down the text until you see difficulty. It'll be blue, so it may be a little bit hard to see at first. To change the difficulty, you just have to uncomment by removing the hashtag. Then it'll go pink. That means it's activated now. Now here you can also see what each number means in terms of difficulty. For example, I want my server to be master, so I'll be setting the difficulty to a 2. You can set the number to whatever difficulty you want. Once you're done, save and restart for the server to make the necessary changes. You can monitor the status of your server creation in the console. You'll know it's done when you see server started after a while. All you have to do then is copy your hostname and keep note of your server port. Then head into your server with those details and enjoy your new world. This section shows you how to change the difficulty of an existing Terraria world. For this you'll need an external program called T-Edit. We'll leave the link to that in the description. All you have to do there is download the first zip, and once it's downloaded you have to extract it to get a folder. Save it to somewhere you'll be able to locate later and head to your server again. Head to files and open up worlds. Your world folder should be the one that ends in .wld. What you want to do then is stop your server here, and once that's done you want to download your world by copying what I'm doing here, taking the folder and then pressing download. That should take no time, and once that's done, you want to open the folder you extracted before. In that folder, find the tedit.x and open that up. That's the actual software that we'll need, so it'll take a little bit to start up. Once it's up and running, you want to click File and then Open. Then locate where you saved the .wld folder and double click that. On the right hand side, make sure the tab selected is World Properties. Scroll down until Game Mode and click the drop down to choose the difficulty you'd like. I'll be changing mine to Journey as an example. So once that's done, you can press File and press Save again. That will save the new difficulty on the world file. Now you can go ahead and close the software, we're all done. Head back to your Terraria server, and then all you have to do is drag that world file we just edited back onto your server. Once that's done, restart it for the necessary changes to take effect. To join your server, all you have to do then is copy the hostname and keep note of the port and configuration. Head into your game and then paste the following credentials and enjoy your new game mode. If you're still experiencing issues, ensure you follow the steps correctly. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!